So let's get into one of the world's most profound spiritual texts.
Picture this, you're on a huge battlefield just moments before a massive war kicks off. And a celebrated hero, Arjuna, is suddenly paralyzed. But what could possibly stop him? He looked across the battlefield and saw his own family staring back at him.
And this impossible choice? Well, that's the very beginning of the Bhagavad Gita.
It's called the Song Celestial, a divine dialogue that gets into life's deepest questions. All its wisdom is packed into 700 verses, or shlokas, spread across 18 chapters. At its heart are these huge ideas like dharma, righteousness, and your sacred duty. The whole thing happens right there on that symbolic battlefield of Kurukshetra. The fight is between two sides of a family, the Pandavas and the power-hungry Kauravas. Arjuna is totally overwhelmed and starts questioning his duty as a warrior. Now, his charioteer wasn't just a friend, but actually a divine guide in disguise. And here's the big reveal. His guide is the divine Sri Krishna himself. Their talk teaches that you have to act, but you have to let go of the outcome. This is karma yoga, the path of selfless action, and it's a huge part of the Gita. But in our crazy modern world, how do we find time to tap into this clarity? To help out, new audio projects are making this ancient wisdom way more accessible. The hope is really just to bring these timeless teachings a little closer to our hearts. So what duty is your heart calling you to, free from any fear or reward?